Center for the Ethiopian Educational Information and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on map projection. Last time, you learned about globes and maps. You studied the advantages of each, compared and contrasted their properties, and discussed which is more useful in the study of geography. You learned that maps are often preferred over globes because they are more visually convenient. They are also easier to handle, less expensive to reproduce and update, and are more transportable. In today's lesson, you will be learning a lot of new and engaging information. You will learn what map projection is. You will discuss its significance, and you will study its properties. We have a great deal of content to cover today, so let us get started. You know what a map is, and you know why it is significant and useful to the study of geography. But what is map projection? Map projection is a technique that cartographers use to transfer information from a globe to a flat surface in order to create a map. Map projection was created by cartographers who were trying to solve some of the problems that globes present. Their efforts resulted in an alternative tool, which is the map. The main objective of a cartographer is to show the various types of data on maps. In order to do so, they require basic information, such as grid references and boundaries. In order to get this basic information, cartographers need to use map projection. Map projection ensures that certain data and geographic elements on the globe are appropriately depicted on maps. However, map projection does have one main disadvantage. Students, can you think of what that disadvantage might be? Brainstorm with a partner and write your answer on a piece of notebook paper.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, class. Were you and your partner able to determine the main disadvantage to using map projection? It is quite complicated to represent a spherical area on a flat surface. There is no flawless way to cut up the globe so that it will lay flat on a piece of paper. As a result, all varieties of map projection include some form of distortion in the graphics. Distortion can affect the area, shape, distance, and direction or angle proportions of a map. If you try to maintain the accuracy of one of these features, some or all of the other features will become distorted. Therefore, there is no perfect method of representing the Earth on a flat surface. Any surface, such as the Earth, that cannot be converted into a flat surface without distortion is referred to as an undevelopable surface. Despite its flaws, map projection is still a useful technique. There are 3 types of projections that are commonly used, each of which maintains the accuracy of one of the features of the globe by sacrificing the accuracy of others. Homolographic projections maintain the accuracy of the shape of the Earth. Orthomorphic projections maintain accuracy of size, and azimuthal projections maintain accuracy of direction. Thus, when cartographers consider the information they want to present in a map, they must decide which feature they want to preserve and which are less important. Students, let us try one last activity. This will help you to recall all of the information you have learned in this lesson. In a moment, you will see a list of sentences. Please read the sentences and fill in the missing words. Good luck.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up! Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. Were you able to fill in all of the blank spaces correctly to complete the sentences? Let us complete them together now. Map projection is a technique used by cartographers to transfer information from a globe to a flat surface. No type of map projection is free of distortion. Distortion of several of the following features occurs during map projection: area, shape, distance, or direction. Homolographic projections maintain accuracy of shape. Orthomorphic projections maintain accuracy of size. Azimuthal projections maintain accuracy of direction. Students, if you had any difficulty with that activity, please review your notes at the end of this lesson. Today, you learned about map projection, which is a technique used by cartographers to transfer the information shown on globes to a flat surface. While this technique is necessary to create more portable and easily studied representations of the Earth, it is not without distortion. You learned that every type of map projection contains some type of distortion. Cartographers must choose the element of a map that is most important in terms of accuracy, be it area, shape, distance, or direction, and sacrifice the other features to attain that accuracy. This brings us to the end of our lesson for today. In the next lesson, you will learn about a specific type of map projection called cylindrical map projection. Until then, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.